How to deactivate your Facebook account. So open the Facebook like mobile app and Chrome browser, anything. Then open the Facebook, then click here the three lines, and you will see option like scroll down and settings option here, and click on the like personal detail options, and scroll down and you will see option like personal details. So click on it and click on the account ownership and control options, and you will see option like deactivate or deleting. So click on the like temporary deactivate and permanently deactivate account. So click here, and so you will see option like choose profile like this, and you will see option like delete account, anonymity account, like read the information, and click on the first options and continue, and click on here continue, and your Facebook account is successfully deleted. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.